Perceived quality. Perceived quality is a crucial concept in marketing and consumer behavior. It's not necessarily about the actual, objective quality of a product or service, but rather how consumers believe it to be. Here's a breakdown. Understanding perceived quality. Subjective nature. Perceived quality is highly subjective. It's based on individual consumer perceptions, which can be influenced by a variety of factors. This means that even if a product has objectively high quality, if consumers don't perceive it that way, it won't translate into positive brand equity. Influencing factors. Brand reputation. A strong, positive brand reputation can significantly enhance perceived quality. Price. Consumers often associate higher prices with higher quality. Packaging and presentation. The way a product is packaged and presented can create an impression of quality. Marketing and advertising. Effective marketing campaigns can shape consumer perceptions of quality. Word of mouth. Recommendations from friends and family can heavily influence perceived quality. Physical attributes. The look, feel, and design of a product can contribute to perceived quality. Customer service. Positive customer service experiences can enhance perceptions of overall quality. Why perceived quality matters. Consumer decision making. Perceived quality plays a significant role in consumer purchase decisions. Brand image and reputation. It directly impacts a brand's image and reputation. Price premium. Products with high perceived quality can often command higher prices. Customer satisfaction and loyalty. Consumers who perceive high quality are more likely to be satisfied and become loyal customers. Competitive advantage. It can be a key differentiator in a competitive marketplace. In essence, perceived quality is about the customer's impression of a product or service. That impression can be formed by many different factors, and it is very important for businesses to monitor and to influence those factors in a positive way.